We've got the line with this value is transformed by a dilation, very important here, with a scale factor of 3, centered at the origin, all important information. Which equation represents the image? What is it going to look like after this dilation? You definitely want to have this big idea in your mind that if you do a dilation on a line, the image is always going to be parallel, and that means, so let me do some annotating. Dilation makes a parallel line. Parallel lines, of course, have the same slope as the original. And that idea launches me into, I've got to get this in y equals mx plus b form to find the slope. So I've got 4x minus 6y equals 24. Always going to move my x over to the other side. Negative 6y equals negative 4x plus 24. Divide by negative 6. If you can't simplify this in your head, you can just plug it in the calculator, but that is 2/3 x minus 4. So I know it's got the same slope, so now I can eliminate that one and that one. And the last part that comes into play here is the scale factor is important when the dilation is centered at the origin. What this basically does is it pushes every point away from the center, multiplies the distance by that amount, and not the most accurate diagram because the y-intercept was negative, but big idea is that the y-intercept gets multiplied. So final step here is to take this and multiply by the scale factor, which is where this negative 12 comes from, and that is your final answer.